Yeah, you make me think. You make me think. 유지해줘도 뭐 어때? We are so young. Yeah. You make me think.
Hey, what is up, guys? It is Britt, and I am back with another video. It's been 3 months since I made my last video. I know, guys, I've just been going through so much personal stuff, but I am back, and I'm bringing it back with this Valentine's Day look using the Jaclyn Hill palette. And yes, I added glitter to it, but all the eyeshadows that I use for this look is from this palette. This is a collab video with my cousin BeautyFaith, or Beauty by Faith. That video actually will be linked down in the description below. We were both using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I decided to do like a Valentine's Day flirty pinky look today. So yeah, if you want to check her video out also after you watch mine, it will be linked down in the description below. But without further ado, if you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Buns from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using that as a transition shade above my crease because I do have hooded eyelids and I do want to give the illusion that my eyelid is bigger. So I'm using that, I'm putting that above my crease and using that shade as a transition shade. The next shade I'm going to use is this shade Roxanne, and that is going to add a little bit more depth into my crease. It's not as, dark as the next shade I'm going to use, which is this shade right here, Jax, and it's a nice burgundy eyeshadow, and I'm just blending that all in. I'm really going to pack on this color into the crease because I really want this color to pop. Next, I am going to cut my crease, but I'm going to only cut my crease 3/4 of the way because it is a cut crease smoky eye, so I'm not going to cut my crease fully. And on top of that, I set the concealer with a nudie shade so it won't be as shiny. Then I go into that shade right there, and it is a nice pink metallic shade, and I'm just going to put that on top of the concealer where I cut my crease. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the E.L.F glitter primer to help the glitter stick. This glitter I'm using is NYX's it's a trio glitter. I forgot the name of it. It will be down in the description below, but it is a beautiful pink glitter. It looks so gorgeous. Next, we're gonna smoke out our outer V with this black shade Abyss. Now, this is very pigmented, so you do want to be careful with it. And I go ahead and use a clean blending brush to just blend that all out. And then after that, I am using my Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner pen to do this cat eye. But then I do finish off using the E.L.F Intense Ink eyeliner to help the eyeliner because it wasn't really working with the glitter. And as you see, I am putting on some falsies. These eyelashes will actually be down in the description below. I got these off of Amazon, and they are so cute, and they go great with this look. Moving on to the face, I am using the E.L.F Mineral Infused Primer as a base. This really blurs out my pores, but it really doesn't help keep my oils in check. So to add some security, I am going to use the Maybelline Loose Setting Powder in the shade Medium to help my oils stay in because, I am a grease ball, so I need to have my oils just stay put for a while. Next, I am going in with my favorite foundation, the Lancome Tient Idole Ultra Foundation in the shade 520. This is my summer shade, so it's a little darker, but I do make it work. As you see, I am blending it out with my Morphe Y6 brush. Thanks to Laura E. This is amazing. But like I was saying, I do make this shade look a little better by using my the highlight concealer, so it brings the look together. To cover these dark circles underneath my eyes, I'm going to use the Sephora Universal Concealer palette. This is the dark palette, and I'm going to use that shade that looks like fawn, but it's a little more cooler, and I'm putting that into the areas to highlight. And then I'm going to blend that out with my Real Technique sponge. But then I did realize that it didn't really give me a lot of coverage. I just need a teensy bit more coverage underneath my eyes, so I went back in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Deep Golden to add a little bit more coverage to my eyes. For contour, I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Rich. And I use this concealer because it is a little softer contour. Yes, I know what? Cream contour is a little softer. It is a little more softer. It's not as heavy as like the Black Radiance cream contour palette, or like foundation palettes that I use to contour. So I am going to go ahead and blend this out. This is actually perfect because my eyes, I want that to be the center of attention, and I don't need so much contour. So yeah, that's what I use for contour. Next, I am going to go ahead and set all them highlighted areas where I put the concealer at, because I need some shine control here, and I just don't want any creased under eyes. And then next, to bronze up, I'm going to use the E.L.F bronzing palette. And then I'm going to smoke out my under eyes using all those crease colors that I use in my crease, to just smoke out my under eyes a bit. Then after that, I'm just waiting for it to show up. Okay, then I'm going to use that lid color that I use and just highlight my inner corner of my eyes and the inner corner of my under eyes. Next is my blush, and I do want to rose up my cheeks just a little bit, so I'm going to use the E.L.F blush palette. This is the deep palette, and I've been using this forever and ever, and I'm not gonna let go. I'm just going to blush up my cheeks. I do want to look a little rosy, but not like a clown, but at least a little rosy, because we're gonna keep this pink, going on my face. And then the next thing I'm going to use is this E.L.F Baked Highlighter in Diamond Blush, I think. Yeah, and it's a nice pinky highlighter. And then I do pack this on because with the fan brush it really wasn't going, so I just changed my brushes and it really packed it on for the highlighter. And then I'm also going to pop that highlight into my brow bone. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to use the NYX Lip Liner, and I think the color is Espresso. Don't quote me on that, I don't really know. But it will be linked down in the description below when I do find out all the names and the shades of this. But I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. This lip liner is so amazing. It's so creamy. It goes on nice and smooth, and I think this is every girl's best friend, a nice lip liner that would just go on so smooth and it is not sticking you. So I'm just going to continue to line my lips. Then I'm going to use the E.L.F. What was it, matte lipstick. I was about to say liquid lipstick, matte lipstick in the color Blushing Brown to just fill it in the middle and blending it all together with the brown lip liner. And to put a touch of shine to it, I'm going to use the Colourpop's Lip Gloss-Cabana Boy to add a nice shine on top of my lips. And then after that, I'm just going to set my face with the NYX Finishing Matte Setting Spray, and that is it for the look. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you really like the tutorial or you want more like this, please give this video a big thumbs up, like that button, comment down below and tell me what other looks do you want me to do. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell right next to it so you know when I post the videos. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Bye.